From the snow-covered peaks of Switzerland to the serene plains of Africa. It's cricket in the wild between India and South Africa. The India Legends team boasts of players like Dilip Vengsarkar, Roger Binny, Anshuman Gaikwad, Sandeep Patil and Ajay Jadeja. Captained by the legendary Kapil Dev.
We meet all our colleagues once again. It's a great fun. We talk about our days and you know, the sense of humor what we had and during that period, and those stories and all those things come back as just bring a smile on your face, and you look forward to that.
Playing on the snow last time when we played, especially the altitude, you know, and now again with not fielders but lions and all the other wild animals taking part also. Hopefully they'll be around and it'll be great fun.
The Indian Legends team will take on the team from South Africa, with names like Graham Pollock, Lance Klusener and current match referee Mike Proctor in the side.
Game-wise, you know, we've lost a lot of it, but I think it's a fantastic feeling to be together again, you know, and compete against the opposition, you know, and try and do things which we did, you know, in the old days, you know, try and get wickets and, you know, try and score runs.
The 6 Legends-a-side format will have 15 overs each, with 3 batting pairs from each team will face 5 overs. To add a twist to the format, a wicket will see 15 runs deducted from the total score. The Indian skipper, interestingly, is not worried about the opposition. It's the wild spectators he's wary of.
Who are going to the spectators? How many tigers, how many lions, how many elephants? That's very important, because we are middle of the jungle and we are trying to do something.
As in the inaugural edition, the Indian Legends will have a lot of support from the sidelines, cheered on by their better halves.
What I do anticipate is that that's what we did when we were in Switzerland as well. It was like this whole group, and we just kind of moved together.
It's cricket with an unusual twist on an unusual pitch.